Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2020 Health Education Past Question 46. Tourniquet is placed above a site of snake bite to A. Stop blood from circulation, B. Stop flow of contaminated blood towards the heart, C. Remove venom from circulation, D. Relieve the victims of pain, and E. Prevent the venom from circulation. Now, tourniquet is what we locally use, like the clothes we locally use now, to tie a place above a site of snake bite. That's what refers to as tourniquet. But normally, this tourniquet is an instrument used in the hospitals. Now, tourniquet is usually placed above a site of snake bite. Like we know, the heart is the pumping machine of the body. Now, every blood that is pumped from the heart to several parts of the body will also return back to the heart. Now, when a snake bite occur in a particular part of the body, now the blood are in this particular area becomes contaminated with the venom. The blood around this area becomes contaminated with venom. So it is important that the place above this place of snake bites is tied, or tourniquet is applied to this place in order to prevent this contaminated blood from circulating back or moving back to the heart. Now this is because if this contaminated blood gets back to the heart, it will result in It will result in shock, and this shock can lead to death. So that is the main reason why tourniquet is placed above a site of snake bite, because the venom already will be circulated. There is no way you can prevent this venom from circulating around the blood there. The venom will definitely be circulated around the blood, but it is now important to prevent this blood from going back to the heart, and that is why the tourniquet is applied above the site of snake bite, so that during the venous return, that is when the blood is going back to the heart, this particular contaminated blood will not get to the heart, and thereby preventing shock, which can lead to death. So the correct answer to this question is option B: stop flow of contaminated blood towards the heart. And that is the answer to this question. It is not possible to prevent the venom from circulation. The venom will be circulated, but it is possible to prevent the contaminated blood from getting to the heart. And so that is the answer to the question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.